chicken burritos. Just trimming off the fat here so I don't get all that flare up. So that's done. We're doing a little bit of a dry rub here. So we're gonna get our breasts in, back into my little package. I have the tenders attached, and I'm using a little chili here for heat. Again, this is a dry rub, so we're gonna get it all over this. Here we go. Make sure all the breasts are covered. Little cumin, taste of Mexico right here. Now a little garlic powder, that's universal. Get that on. Just put that, sprinkle that all over because we're gonna rub all of this in. And a little lemon pepper for a little zip. Here we go. Now we'll start rubbing that in. I'm gonna cook this chicken in 2 stages now. I'm gonna use a little tin foil and I'm gonna throw it on the grill. I'm gonna bake it first and then I'm gonna grill it for char marks. Let me show you how I do that. Little tin foil, just pop these on. Fold it up, just kind of crimp the sides here. Here we go, turn it around. Nice, neat little envelope. Let's just do that one more time. Go on a high heat grill. Just want to open them up, and I'm gonna cook them just to get char marks. I don't want to cook it all the way through because it's gonna get dry. I just want it nice and moist and tender. So high heat, char marks, that's all I'm looking for. See those beautiful char marks? I'm going to show you how to get them. All you have to do when you first start it, put it down on an angle just like that. Leave it alone. Let it sear. Little way through, give it another little half turn. Beautiful hash marks every time.